Quarantine Baking with Nessa. Rum half-baked ice cream. Measure 20 ounces of whole milk and 14 ounces of cream. Bring milk and cream to a boil. Make sure to stir constantly to prevent the dairy from burning to the pan. Meanwhile, measure 7 ounces of sugar and separate 6 eggs. Using only yolks in your custard will create a creamier texture. Egg yolks are mostly fat and protein, and since fat freezes differently than water, it will help create a soft and creamy texture. By incorporating even more fat into the butter fat, which is found in the milk and cream, we will create the ultimate creamy ice cream. Add 1 ounce corn syrup. Corn syrup will reduce the size of the ice crystallization once we start churning the custard. Whip the egg yolks, sugar, and corn syrup until thick and in ribbon stage. Ribbon stage is when you can lift the whisk and the egg mixture should slowly fall, forming a ribbon that will hold its shape for a few moments. This will take about 3 minutes. The mixture will also turn a pale yellow when enough air is incorporated. Once the milk has come to a boil and egg yolks are properly whipped, slowly add 2/3 of the hot milk into the egg mixture while whisking. Making sure to temp the eggs, which means bringing them up to temperature before adding them back to the hot milk, will prevent the eggs from scrambling. Add everything back to the 1/3 of milk in the pot and continue to cook until the custard coats the back of a spoon and leaves a clean swipe when you draw your finger through it. This is one of the most important parts while making ice cream. The custard is very fragile and can turn into scrambled eggs very quickly. To prevent this, cook on medium heat and continue to stir in a figure 8 motion. Strain the custard to remove any bits that might have cooked or crystals that might have formed. Add a cup and a half of spiced rum. Cool over an ice bath and refrigerate overnight. Pour custard into machine and churn until thick and partly frozen. Depending on your machine, this should take 45 minutes to an hour. Mix in chunks of drunken chocolate chip cookies, gooey spiked brownies, and cookie dough, working quickly before ice cream melts. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Much love, Nessa.